I haven't seen you in so long. I missed you so much. Why did you go away for such a long time? I see. But it's fine. As long as you're here now, it doesn't even matter. This reminds me of the first time that we met. I couldn't bring myself to talk to you, but here you are, all over me. You know, every day at work, I was just thinking maybe his boss will call him in and he'll tell him to go home earlier. God, that was 11 whole months. Do you think I could have waited any longer? I needed you. I missed you so much. Please. Please don't leave again. That's not really assuring, but you know what? I appreciate that you thought of something, though. Yeah. Yeah. It's okay. I know. You have your big goals in life, and I guess I do too, but this was just so important to me. Thank you. Thank you for coming back. I needed to feel your touch. I needed to know what it felt like if you were here all over again. I think 11 months was short. It felt like a year each day that I couldn't have you. I would see my coworkers out with their stupid partners, and here am I, looking like a ditz, with nobody, just telling stories about you to them. I've missed you so much. I had an itinerary planned for tomorrow. I know it's been a while since you came back to the city, but I can scrap that. It's all up to you, whatever you want, right? This is your day, and I'm just here to support. So, don't take it too fast, okay? Just do what you want, and I'll be right here. Don't have to worry about a single thing. Nights in this bed without you are so lonely. I can't imagine what it would have been like for you. I mean, how was it like all across the country by yourself, not knowing anyone? I'm sorry you had a rough time there. But it's okay. As long as we're here together. I don't mind waiting an eternity if I know that it's gonna be you that I'm in this bed with at the end of the day. It doesn't matter. And I haven't smelled you in such a long time. When you walked through the door and I was working on our week's plans, I just lit up so fast. I memorized it from the day that I saw you. It's so unique. I can't get it out of my head. You smell so good. You know Heather? Yeah, I used to FaceTime her, about her at least to you. But God, I couldn't handle her today. She just kept rambling and yelling about her husband and how much he loves her and gets her gifts, and I'm like, I was so jealous. I remembered how I was with you every single day. And to hear those words coming from someone else, and I knew I couldn't do anything but just sit and listen because you weren't here. I. I just didn't. You haven't kissed me in such a long time. I was just thinking about the moment it would happen again. I. I just. Baby. I. Are you seriously just trying to shut me up? God, you taste so. God, your body is so warm. I need it. I need it all. I need it all today. So please don't hold back. Okay, darling?